Go.
You see how she just jerked? She just jerked back.
I think it scared her just a little bit.
Nah. Man, if we lived in an apartment, I mean, if we took this our apartment, we couldn't have this going on. I think it's loud. Downstairs it would be.
A little bit.
She's just trying to figure out what's going on.
At least she's got the hang of the button. And Madison.
Oh, nothing. I can see it through the TV. What happened? Okay.
She's enjoying it.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Fun? Filming. I'm actually leaning.
A little bit. She won't count. Yay!
I mean, her little hand is. Did you put Mickey there or she did?
She wanted me to.
Hey, right there, she is leaning.
Well, it's how she's sitting. You gonna fix her? I let her go.
Okay. I don't know if she's having fun or not. What?
No, I think we should go to Sprint. They have an unlimited day.
We do too now. Until next October when we renew. We'll talk then. We can't leave till October.
Is it? It's 18 months.
18 months.
Well, it's been 2 years. No, it's 2 years.
We can't leave till April 2013.
April 2013.
We could renew for a new phone.
In October.
October.
18 months. Bassett, can I get on?
I mean, I'm assuming she's having fun.
Is it one?
You hear me? I'm assuming she's having fun.
I hope so.
I mean, she's doing it,
Looks
but.
tired. Let's let her find out.
Maddie, pick your feet up. Lisa, pick her feet up. Hold on, wait. We're gonna be eating dinner and she's just gonna be still going in circles.
She would get Kitty Park now.
Oh, yeah.
Let your foot right there.
Is she sitting sideways? Like.
Sitting sideways. Boy, baby.
What's going on?
You looking at from the...
Hey, Chandler, you can see in the picture.
Probably getting a field goal range, huh? They are actually on the 30.
Hey, listen. Can you keep filming? Can you film? I'm from City College.
Choo choo! On the Madison Express.